Hey beautiful people! FabFitFun just dropped early set of third spoilers and this one is interesting cause we're getting glow recipe skincare and a $165 bucket hat in the same box. So let's go through everything together and see if these are actually worth getting. And if you're new here, welcome to Rachel's Beauty Finds, where I share FabFitFun spoilers, beauty finds, and honest picks to help you decide what's actually worth it. And right now, since FabFitFun is releasing spoilers daily, I'm covering every single update so you don't miss anything. Let's get with the first one. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, which is valued at $29 and it's gonna be in customization 6. This one actually sounds really refreshing. It's a super fine mist that gives your skin that soft, dewy glow. It has watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs, so it is meant to hydrate and lightly smooth your skin at the same time. What's interesting is that it's a biphase mist, so you don't have to shake it before using. It mixes the oil layer with the water-based ingredients and then you just spray it on. You can use it as a quick hydration boost during the day or even to prep or set your makeup. So it's one of those multi-use products. FabFitFun shared a few details about this. The details are the size of the bottle is 2.53 ounce, which is 75 ml. And to use this as a hydrating glow mist, from 8 to 10 inches away, firmly press nozzle and mist 2 to 3 times across the face. Hold closer to face for maximum dewy effect. Use throughout the day if you have oily or combination skin. Spray it once every few hours to refresh skin. If your skin is on the drier side, just hold it closer to your face and apply 2 spritzes every 2 hours to maintain hydration. To use as a makeup prep plus a perfecting mist, use it from 8 to 10 inches away. Firmly press the nozzle and mist 2 to 3 times to refresh skin and set makeup. These are the ingredients present in this mist. And it is a female and BIPOC founded company and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. And by the way, I'm posting FabFitFun spoilers every single day. So if you don't want to miss any of the upcoming reveals, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you stay tuned. The second spoiler is also from Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow BHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner, which is valued at $36 and this one is in customization too. This is inspired by the Korean Aqua Pale Facial, so it's meant to hydrate and gently exfoliate at the same time. It has PHA and BHA which help with the pores and texture, but it's still alcohol free, so it's designed to be gentle on the skin. You can use it daily after cleansing or even to do that little toner mask trick where you leave it on for a few minutes for that glass skin effect. So if you like skincare that both hydrating and little exfoliating, this could be a really nice option. FabFitFun shared a few details about this one. The details are the size of the bottle is 5.07 ounce and how to use this one is after cleansing in the morning or in the evening, dispense this into your palms and gently press into your face and neck until fully absorbed. This can also be applied with a cotton pad. These are the ingredients present in this mist. And this is also a female and BIPOC founded company and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. Now the third one is a bit different. This is Eugenia Kim Straw Bucket Hat and this one is valued at $165, which is actually a high value item. It comes in customization too and it's more of a lifestyle piece. It's a lightweight crochet style bucket hat, so very summery and easy to style. It's made of 100% paper and it has that soft structured look with a slightly downturned brim. So this really depends on your style. If you like accessories and summer outfits, this could be a fun pick. But if you're more into skincare or beauty, you might lean toward the other options in that category. FabFitFun shared a few details about this. The size of the hat is 8.5 by 14 by 0.75 and care instructions for this one are wipe with a dry cloth and it is made of 100% paper. This one has a shipping restriction and it's only available for US and Canada customers only. So overall, these are the early spoilers 3. I'm curious, which one do you like most so far? The glow recipe products or the bucket hat? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming FabFitFun spoilers. Peace and blessings, my friends.